I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Now search and select Google Calendar. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Create new project. Give a meaningful project name. Click on Create. Click on Configure Consent screen. Choose External. Click Create. Give a meaningful app name. Give a user support email. Give developer contact information email. Save and continue. Back to Dashboard. Click on Publish App. Click on Credentials. Search for Google Calendar API. Click on Enable. Create credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type Web application. Give a meaningful name. To get authorized JavaScript origins, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy homepage URL and paste it here. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Click on Create. Now copy client ID and paste it here. Copy client secret and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select your calendar. Choose your time zone. Map your respective fields. You can use this advanced options if you want. Click on Next. Click Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. As you can see, date booked successfully in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.